Hello everyone. In the previous video, we had actually seen how to do multitasking, the basic program for a multitasking thing. Now I will be doing multitasking using two components, like two LEDs. Okay, so that means I will add one LED, then I will add one more servo motor to it. Then let's figure out how things happen. Let's add an LED to this. Okay. So on the negative side, I attach the cathode to this, and through a resistor, I connect it to terminal to number 9. And let's make this as yellow, and let's see how we program for it. Now I want to uh, blink the first LED with 1 second. That is what, okay, half a second. We did that half a second, yes. The second one we'll make it for 1 second. Okay, all right. So that means that is going to blink for 1 second. Now, as I told you that this particular variable is going to be common for all, but these four variables are going to be uh, for each component that we are creating. So what I'll do is I'll make a copy of those variables, and Uh, the second one I have attached to pin number 9, so I'll change that to pin number 9. So this is pin number 9. I'll also have to change the variable name. So I'll name this as LED pin 2, mm, LED state 2, prep time 2, blink period 2. So this changes the names, okay? And this is going to be after 1 second. So this is period is 1000 milliseconds. So you saw that I had created four variables for one component. I've created again four components for the second, four variables for the second component. I've changed the values of the variables accordingly. LED state doesn't matter, it is a low in the beginning. LED pin 2 is 9, no problem. Unsigned long prep time 2 is 0, blink period 2 is 1000 now. Previous that was 500. Now, what do we need to do? Because both of them are LEDs, these two are going to work exactly the same. So what I'm going to do is just going to make a copy of that if statement, the whole thing, and just change the variable names here. And because the second one is going to use the second variables, LED state 2, LED state 2, LED state 2, LED pin also 2, and LED state 2. So I'm using the different variables now. Not a big deal. Okay, let me run the code now. There is a problem. Okay, now type 2 is not there. Now time is now time. And this is now time again. Sorry for this. Let's run this again. Running. Let's see now. You can see that the yellow one is actually blinking after 1 second, and the red one is blinking after half a second. So both are working at the same time. So each one is not actually waiting for the other to finish. Each of them are actually working at the same time. Now, as I have used two LEDs, I can use multiple LEDs. Only thing is, I would have to use different set of variables for them. Different set of variables for them. Okay. Let's start working on a servo here. Um, mm, let us see what we need to do with the servo now. Okay, what we'll do with the servo is basically um, change the angle of this particular servo from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, and when it reaches 180 I'll need to bring it back to 0 again, and the angle should change with the difference of say around 10 degrees. So once we have figured out what we need to do, then we need to we'll just attach the servo, and this is attached to ground, so we'll attach to ground. This is attached to power, we'll attach to power, and this is connected to signal. I'll connect it to any of the PWM pins. All right. Now we need to work on this. Now please remember, I need these two variables for the third one, but because there is no LED pin, it actually has a pin, yes, but the pin is actually a servo pin. We need to figure that out. Okay. So we'll make this as tread time 3. This is okay, and this is going to change. That 10 degrees is going to change after every 100 milliseconds. So 10 degrees every 100 milliseconds. So let's see how things will happen now. All right. I need my servo.h to be included. So I'll say hash include servo.h, and over here I'll create my servo, okay, and over here I will attach my servo.attach. It is attached to pin number 3. So attached to pin number. Okay. Next, uh, what do I do? Okay, I'll just copy paste this particular thing and just change whatever I need to change. I'll use 3 here, and instead of blink period, I'll have to use it move period. Let me change the variable to move period. Okay. All right, so all right. Uh, Now state change is not going to be there, but angle change is going to be there, right? So it's going to be instead of create a variable called angle. So I'll say int angle is equal to 0. So 0 is the angle it is going to start off with. And over here, instead of digital write, I'll say my servo dot write angle and change the angle. So I'll say angle is plus equal to 10. I set 10 degrees every time. But if the angle goes beyond 180, it should become 0 again. So I'll just, after change increasing, if I find that angle is greater than greater than 180, I'll make it angle is equal to 0 again. So I, I need to make sure that angle doesn't go beyond 180. Let us see if it works. Okay, let us run this program and see what happens. Okay, just some error somewhere. Yeah, spelling of angle is not correct. So Well, let's start the simulation again, and we will see, yes, the LEDs are blinking. One is blinking half a second, one is blinking at 1 second, and the motor is also working at the same time. It's not waiting for the LEDs to finish their blinking thing. I think it is not going back to zero. Why it doesn't get time to go to zero again? Because of the speed. Let's make it half a second. So it goes from, yes, after every half a second it goes 10 degrees, 10 degrees, 10 degrees, 10 degrees, 10 degrees. Okay. Then when it finishes going to 180 degrees, should go back to zero. It starts all over again. Alright. So we have successfully created a program which is doing multitasking, and what multitask it is doing, it is actually blinking two LEDs at the same time, and the servo is also rotating at the same time. So they are not waiting for each other. Okay, so I hope you have understood the programs. If there is any problem, please write your questions in the comments, and I will try to resolve them. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.